Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the serpentine belt on Opel Astra J 1.7 CDTI. The timing belt and serpentine belt on this car is located on the side of the engine, just underneath the air filter housing. It's located right there. In order to get access to the serpentine belt, first we're going to remove the air filter housing. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove the serpentine belt. In order to remove the serpentine belt, we're going to turn the tensioner, which is right there. We're going to turn it clockwise, and it will loosen the belt, and then we can remove the belt. That's the socket that I'm going to use, size 15 socket and a long ratchet to turn the tensioner clockwise and loosen the belt. When I turn the tensioner clockwise, I can put the pin through the tensioner and onto the other side, and this way we'll hold the tensioner in position so that we can remove the belt and then put it back on again. That's the pin that I'm going to use, and now I'll show you where exactly I put it in. Here you can see where I put in the pin through this hole and the other hole, and that's how it's holding the tensioner in place. And now we can easily remove the belt and then put it back on. And next we're going to remove the belt. Next we're going to put the belt back on. This is a diagram of how the belt should be routed around the pulleys. And now we're going to put the belt on. That's the belt that I'm using for this car. Now that the tensioner is held by the pin, we can put the belt around all the pulleys with no hassle, and then we'll turn the tensioner clockwise and remove this pin, and then we'll let it go and the belt will be tightened. Here it is, the belt is around all the pulleys. Now we're going to turn the tensioner clockwise and remove the pin, and then we'll let it go and the belt will be tightened. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.